Hi, welcome to this step-by-step guide on setting up the server for MolyStock, a powerful inventory management system with mobile app integration. In this video, we will walk you through the entire process of installing MolyStock on your server, ensuring a smooth deployment for your business. So let's get started. First of all, after purchasing MolyStock from CodeCanyon, you will get this kind of file. The file name is main_files. So now, first of all, you have to log in your cPanel. So I have already logged in my cPanel, and after logged in cPanel, you have to go to database wizard. So I am going to click in this database wizard. Now the step 1 is create a database. Now I am giving a database name. Remember that we will use this database name few minutes later. So we have to store this database name in a notepad. So this is our database name. And I'm clicking on next step. So you can see that you have created a database name ecommerce_salha_ph. Now the step 2 is create a database user. So I am going to create a database user is ecommerce. Now I am going to store this username also in my notepad. So this will be our database name, database username. So this will be our database user. Now we have to give a password for your database. So I am going to generate a password from here and paste it over there, and password again. Now I have to store this password also that we will use few times later. So this will be a database password. Now I am going to create a user, and you can see that you have successfully created a database user named ecommerce_dbuser. So after completing the step 2, our next step is step 3, and the step is add user to the database. So you have already created a user and a database. Now we give the all permission. So clicking on all the privileges and click on make changes. So our step 4 is already completed. User e-commerce was added to the database with the user. So our initial database settings is done. Now I am closing this tab and go back to the cPanel. Now we have to go to the file manager and select the root folder where you want to store your software. So let's say our root folder is molystock.codemoly.net. So I'm clicking on that and click on upload. Select file and go to the downloaded file that you already downloaded from CodeCanyon. So after go to the file, select MolyStock backend or zip. So I am selecting this folder and click on open. So it is already uploading. It will take some time. So our uploading is already done. Now I am going back to the root folder. So here you can see that the folder is already uploaded, and I am going to select this one and click on the right button of your mouse and click on extract the files. So this file is extracting now. So our file is already extracted, and I'm closing this, and you can see that this is our extracted file folder. So I'm going to clicking on that and select all the file from here and clicking on move, and I'm going to move all the folder and files to the root folder. So I'm erasing this folder name and click on move files. So now I'm going to the root folder again, and you can see that all the file is here. So you can delete your previous file and folder. Delete. Now go to your browser and write your domain name /install. So you can see that the installation process is already showing. Here you can see that the required thing is database name, database username, and database password that we already created. So I am clicking on the next step, and make sure that all the installation requirements is fulfilled. So click on next step, and in this section we will use our created username, password, and database name. So first of all we will use our database name, username. I'm going to paste it over here. I'm going to use the password now, and lastly I'm going to paste the database name. So database port will be constant. So I'm clicking on the next step. Okay, so you can see that the welcome to the setup wizard, and everything is set up. Now clicking on install. So after clicking the install, it will take some time to import your databases. Okay, our installation is complete. Now installation completed successfully. You can log in with the default login details. So here is our details, credentials, that is default. So after clicking login, you will see the login page. So this will be your login page, and using this email and password you can log in into your dashboard. So here is our software. That is how you can install your software in your server. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for further updates.